Later, you will be shortlisted for your written test. Choose the project.
Hello everyone, we are IIT Delhi students and my name is Rahul Kumar. I am from VDTT, sponsored by Western Digital. VDTT means VLSI Design Tools and Technology, and we are still in that VDTT lab. So,
Okay, myself Sujata. I'm a final semester student at IIT Delhi, same VDT MSR program. I'm sponsored by Cadence company.
Hi, this is Nakshi. So guys, I want to know something about VDT. So I guess you will help me. So Rahul, tell me what is VDT at IIT Delhi?
so VDTT is another branch of IIT Delhi. It's a VLSI related branch. VDTT is different from IC. IC means Integrated Electronic Circuit. It's another branch of MTech MSR, and VDTT is another one. The difference is that VDTT is fully sponsored, but IC is not. Okay, so that's intro.
So Sujata, you tell me how to get into VDT at IIT Delhi. What is the process and all after GATE? Because everyone knows up to GATE. So we want you to tell after the GATE your experience and all.
Okay, so I have given my GATE exam in electronics branch. So, like any other IIT master's program, we have option to apply to the VDTT program, VDTT MSR or MTech program. So after that, the scores and your profile will be going to the companies that is associated with VDTT. So the most common companies that are associated are like the major VLSI companies. Okay, so after that they'll go through your professional experience, the GATE scores, and all the BTech percentages. Later, you will be shortlisted for your written test conducted by that particular company. After qualifying through the written test, we have interviews from the company, and then we have the options to choose projects and the team with the company, and then if you're shortlisted, you will get the offer letter. Yeah, over to Nagasai.
Yeah. Rahul, you tell me how you got this interest in VLSA and why not IEC, like this sponsored, how it is more helpful?
Actually, VDTT provides more perks and opportunity of industrial exposure than IC or any other VLSI branch in among all IITs, I think, because in VDTT we already get sponsored by company. I mean, everyone get sponsored by any other company because it's a fully sponsored branch. In VDTT we get a stipend from company, and that is almost, I mean, it is 100% sure it will be something higher than other stipends, and we get definitely opportunity of internship, and most probably everyone get that PPO. If you don't get PPO, then you are still still in IIT, so you are able to sit in placement.
Yes.
But most of people get PPO. So there are three things: you get a stipend from company, a little bit higher, and then you get the internship opportunity, which is very good, and the third is you have great chance of to getting PPO. Okay, that is the three major things.
I guess it is very good. So I think you must have proper industrial experience, and then you are connected with the company, and then you are moving with the company, and you have the backup chances
Yes.
also. So that
Yes.
will be like, so you are having wide chances of getting into
So
VLSI
you
company.
will be basically working the live project that is happening. So it will be really helpful for your professional experience,
Okay.
and you would also learn the cutting edge technologies, like what is actually going, um, instead of just start reading the bookish knowledge. So you will actually get the company exposure.
Okay. So, and also I want to ask you, when you are doing courses here at IIT Delhi, how this company will tell you? I mean, will that company tell you to take some courses, or how will it be? And how these courses are really helping you to get the feel of the project and all. You can tell about that.
Okay. So in VDTT, we have two guides, one from IIT Delhi, any professor, and one from company manager or anyone. I don't have that much idea. He must be a manager or any other guide. Okay. So we have to discuss both. Like we have to give all both of them that this course I wanna take, or suggest me which course should I take according to the project. So we have to take suggestion from both of them. This is compulsory.
So based on your project needs, so the industrial supervisor will suggest you to take some subjects. That the industrial supervisor would suggest the company subject names, and you may register the same in your semester curriculum, and then after your course credits are done, you can go ahead with the project.
Okay. So, and also I want to ask you about your interest. I mean, in VLSI, how do you cultivated that interest, whether it's analog or digital? Because it will be helpful, I guess, to first make your area strong, and then you can take that courses, right? And how that company is flexible in that aspect. You can tell about that. Rahul, you tell me, like, how did you select, like, what is it, digital VLSI or analog VLSI? What is your opinion? I mean, what is your interest basically?
Okay. So initially my interest was not in analog, not in digital. It's a communication system designing. Initially I was interested in designing communication circuits. I mean, I was more inclined to signal system, control system and communication. Later on I did my first sem at IIT Patna, and I did some other courses of VLSI, and that got to know that the core of all the things is related to VLSI. So it's all analog and digital. When we go to company and when we go to we brought our area, then we have to work on everything. We should have knowledge of everything. Okay. So VLSI is core. That's why I wanna build more in VLSI. Then I will switch to communication, or I will in next few years, after getting my job and all, maybe I will work on communication system ultimately. But initially I wanna work on both analog and digital.
Okay. So what is your interest, Sujata? You can tell about that.
I was interested more towards digital VLSI. So during gate journey, I have decided that I might go to digital, and when I sat for on-campus placement, I was looking for digital profiles. So yeah, and I have done courses related to digital also and analog also, which gives you perspective about the both analog blocks and digital. But I finally have decided I'll go in digital. See. Okay, that.
So, Akka, I mean, can you tell how to get into this VT at IIT Delhi?
How to get in? It's a very high level question.
Okay.
Why, man? Now I am getting single take artist. You are.
That is okay. Come on, carry on. You're telling really good.
Yeah.
You are the best artist among three of us.
Okay.
Okay, you have to give all the written test. Have options to choose the project.
నేనేం చెప్పలేదు అసలు ఈ నవ్వుతున్నా నాకు సంబంధం లేదు.
You are laughing.
I am not at all laughing.
తన ఒపీనియన్ తను చెప్తాడు.
వాడు ఇంకా స్టార్టింగ్ సెమిస్టర్ లో ఉన్నాడు.
I am not understanding both of you.
Some subjects that is related for the.
మరి అంత సీరియస్ చెప్పగా అంత జోలి చెప్పాడు. See how you can tell him that.
First you tell na.
What?
He is asking you only.
అదే ఇది ఒపీనియన్ ఉండాలి, మిగతా అవసరం లేదు. అందుకే సపరేట్ అడిగా, ఎందుకంటే ఆవిడ ఆన్సర్ అది ఉంటుంది కదా ఇది. ఓకే, అసలు నాకు వినిపిస్తుందో లేదు అసలు.
కానీ